Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a maximized window will not drag problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel. Click on ease of access. Click on ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
After doing this step, click on make the keyboard easier to use. And after doing this step, check it the prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. So check it, apply, and OK button.
Always scan this section.
After doing this step, close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your multitasking, and after doing this step, turn off snap windows. If it is turned off, then turn off it. I have already turned off it. Then close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor. So open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, select a HKey current user and expand it. Select a control panel and expand it. After doing this test, select a desktop. After doing this step, find out a drag for maximize. So open it and make sure that it's select a value data is 1. Click on OK button and close it. And after that, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.